back. This is part 2 of the Kennedy toolbox restoration. We're gonna start painting it. I'm prepping for paint right now. I just got this whole booth all set up. It's a little messy in here right now because of it, but I just used a 10 by 10 tent, put some plastic around it, and here's the inside. Got a fan going out there and a little one going in over there. Table. I'm gonna start with a couple of the drawers, but figured I should prep them first, so we're just gonna tape them off and get it as good as possible. Hopefully the color matches enough to where that doesn't matter and I don't have to like fade it in, but I will put you up on a tripod and show you how I prep them. Just a quick paper job so we can cover the spots that we don't want to get any paint on. Covers the back. I only want to get the faces, basically. I don't want to waste a bunch of paint. So I'm going to continue on that and get all these done. Okay, quick update. I'm going to paint tomorrow, but I got the drawers all prepped out. I just want the faces. So, got them all prepped. They painted all of it, so that's what we'll have to do. Next, we're going to take apart and prep the cart itself. Got to take the 2 toolboxes off of it, take the wheels and tires off, just the wheels, and see if I can get the paint off of the tires. Get the cart ready for paint. Paint tomorrow, probably. And here's the paint I'm going to use.
Whether it was Hitler's direct orders or his influence over the Nazis' military, Rommel was forced to stay in Germany while his forces in North Africa. Italy falling apart in the south and military supplies running low on all fronts would be if the British and Americans somehow managed to.
What's up? We're back. Got my new phone, so the recording should be a little better now. We got the cabinet painted here. I'm having a problem. Let me see if I can get it in the light for you. When I was showing someone this, I closed it. I think I just need to let the paint dry more, but I'll have to repaint that. Next up, we're going to paint the cart part of it, and we're gonna paint this part of it. I wanted to put this together, but I don't think I'm going to now. Screw it, let's put it together. The paint job definitely is not perfect. I gotta redo this because I missed the gray. And I just gotta redo this thing in general because it's getting all messed up. But, you know, there's missing textures, spots here and there. Down there is missing all the texture, but I got all the rust off of it, so I didn't want to have any rust on it. Next up, we will get this booth put back together. It fell apart while I was at work today. And then get to painting. Okay, got that one. Got this one painted here. Couple coats on it. I'm gonna start doing this one. I only have one more can of brown and it's way too late to get more. I gotta get this all cleaned up by tomorrow. So we're just gonna do touch-ups on the bottom here. Touch-ups on the bottom, touch-ups on the top. And then we're gonna do a couple coats on the sides. That shouldn't take too much paint at all. We'll do the sides first and see. We might be able to just do a couple coats on the whole thing, but I doubt it with one can. Less than one can. Okay, we're all done painting. Let's go in here and check things out. I did this off camera, but we got the wheels painted white. I think that's gonna look really good with the brown. Everything else. So, next what I'm gonna do is take down this paint booth. Start getting the garage cleaned up because it is a wreck. Back to it, garage is cleaned up. So the next step to cleaning will be just to get this toolbox out of the way. I'm gonna set it up and put it all together. Paint's all done. It's not perfect, not everything's textured, but especially on the inside here. I did slightly sand it to get that Kennedy Versa cart out. Start getting it put together. I failed to notice the wheels are different when you turn them over. They're not just the same. So, painted the back, that's cool, looks great. Now I want to paint the front. So we got to prep it and sand it and paint it. Be back when that's done. Alright, got it painted now. We're going to start putting them together. So, at least now both sides of the wheel are painted. There we go. Brown cart, white wheels. Let's get it put together and show you the end product here. I almost forgot. I did save what was left of the Kennedy model sticker here. Gotta get glued on there. got the Kennedy or model number back on there. Alright, painting and assembly is mostly done. Not sure what this drawer's so angry about, but it will not stay closed. Won't stay closed, but that's okay. We got this. Got the handles all put on. I can bend down and get to these, or you can put it away and get to in there. Alright, that's done. This is part 2. Part 3 will be in a while. It's not going to happen anytime soon. It's going to be all the details, like the keys, the getting this stuff re-chromed, or painting it, depending on what I go with. Redoing the top. We're going to do it a really dark color. And then just small things, you know, the caps to that. I'm going to make handles. I'm going to make 2 little pull-out brass handles for that. And yep, but I'll show you a little bit more details, and that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. This is just one of many projects. I think our next one, we're going to keep going on the Hot Wheels table, and then our next one is going to be that bike. That was my childhood bike. And I would like to paint it green. God, painting. I do not like painting. But get this all cleaned up. Good friends over here tonight. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.